Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia G42, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we will open up our settings. From here, you want to navigate all the way down to System and then select Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will then present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. So quickly going over this list, we have your Google accounts. Now it will only sign out of your account, it doesn't delete the account itself. System and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now to clarify this, only the three last things listed here will be probably things that will actually get removed, like music, photos, and user data. This is typically what you would put on the device yourself, and it's stored locally on the device's storage. So if you want to preserve some of these things like music, photos, or any kind of documents, basically user data, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise this will be lost. Now I'll also mention that if you store your photos on the cloud, for instance Google Cloud, you don't need to worry about it. It doesn't actually delete the photos from the cloud, it just deletes it from the storage of the device itself. Anyway, I'm going to now select Erase All Data because I don't want to back up anything. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it here. Then select Erase All Data. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.